Alright, so we got the kern. Alright. Strawberry banana, we just install it. There's a little bit above 24. Power it on. It turns on. Now what you want to do is slush, alright? So slush. And we're just gonna wait until it goes into it.
If you wanna play with this thing, you gotta eat.
What's this?
Push it. Keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. That's good. Try it. It's good?
Yes.
May I have some?
Let me have some of my salad. That with the frappe one.
I don't know, but no, you have to taste like this. This right?
One. All right. Ninja finally listened to me to get a larger machine because we're having a larger party. And the other one was good, but it just got better. So what do we have here? This is a larger machine than the other one, of course. And I'm going to put the details description. How big is it? Now, of course, they give you instructions how to do your own thing. But we're going to do our own thing because this is the way we do things. Now, we're a Latino family, Mexican-American family. We're going to do something that traditionally we drink when we go eat tacos. We either have Jamaica, horchata, or tamarindo. We're going to skip tamarindo because it has a heavy-duty pulp and we don't want it to get stuck in here. But we are going to do a horchata and we are going to do a Jamaica. So let's get started. We're going to start with the features first. Features first. You got power button here. You got slushy. You got slush. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's start with the features first. You got power button on the top. You got slush assistant, slush, spike. Spike means that if you have alcohol, you want with ice or any kind of drinks, a margarita, you can do that. Milkshakes, now frozen juice. And here we have from coldness, right? They changed it. Now it's a knob, all right? From cold to thicker, right? Cold thickener, that's what it says. They give you a tray, put the tray in there and get it going. You got 24 ounces. And then look at here. We got about 112 ounces. That's a max line, all right? Just be careful. Now on the top, it changed a little bit. On the top, you got a whole knob that you can open. But if you want to just open the top, you can just open the side of it too. In order to move the tray, you still have to move it back and forward, all right? Back, forward to remove it. That's one part. Remove the second one. That's two. Keep this there. But this one, the tray, this is the condensed tray, but also the drip tray, all right? So right now, we're not going to concentrate on dripping or anything like that. We're going to actually start using it. So we're going to rinse it first. When you get it out of the box, rinse it. All right, so we're going to prepare it now. We're going to lock it in place. Make sure you have your cover, right? Cover it up. Now, on the cover, I'm going to show you guys something very important that you know. You got to make sure that you, whenever you do, or wherever you place in here, make sure that this part right here, everything that you're going to set up, it has to fit in there. So you're going to have to liquefy whatever substance you're making, all right? Just to let you know. We just plugged it in. Now, first thing you know it, let me show you. Just went to a taco stand, got myself horchata. A full horchata. This is about 24 ounces. So let's go ahead and set this up. I'm going to open it up completely. I haven't turned it on yet. We're going to fill up to the line. Oh. I spilled a little bit. I spilled some gold. A little bit over the 24 ounce, all right? So let's start this machine. Let's cover it up. Notice something on this one. There's no frap. There's only slushy, milkshake, and frozen juice. So we're going to do a slushy on this one, all right? So we're going to power it up. Power it up. We want to do a slushy. So all you have to do is that. And then it gives you on the knob here how much coldness you want. So right now we're at 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. I want to see how fast this thing loads up. It's already moving really quick. Look at that. Not even a minute and you can see it getting frozen right there. This is a faster machine than the other one. So if you are going to get this one, the performance on this one is a lot faster. All right. So we got it fully all the way to the coldness already. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So right now it automatically went all the way up. That means this machine is ready for us to actually start using. While it's still spinning, it's still good. Let's fill it up. So it might be a little slower. It might be a little faster. Let me get you close in personal in there. So we're gonna fill this cup up as much as we can now that it's full. So let's go ahead and do it. So look how slow it is, all right? But it's not what we're looking for. We're looking for like the taste. See how well it tastes, this one. All right, look at this. Let's try this one out. It's a little heavier on this one. Let me bring it to you guys. It feels like an icy, like a real icy. But if you ever had raspado, this is like 2 times better than raspado, to be honest with you. Raspado has a lot of pieces that are larger. You know, you need a spoon for this. You don't need a spoon for this. All right, let's put the other one to the test. Let's clean this one up, and let's do the Jamaica. So now we're gonna rinse it, and you want to pour it up, all right? And when you pour it up, make sure you add your water, all right? We're gonna add our water slowly to rinse it, all right? The rinse is not on the left-hand side now. It's right here on the right bottom, right? So you hit rinse and let it rinse for a while. And that's pure water. If you want more, add more water, you can do that. So right now it's still condensed, it's still cold. So we're gonna let this run for maybe a minute or 2 before we start draining the water. And if you, like I said, if you want to add more water, that's optional. It's been a couple minutes already. We're gonna drain it out. Get the cup or whatever it is that you need close by, so it won't drip anywhere. And we're gonna run another cycle of water. All right, just added the Jamaica, same as the other one. Got it straight from the Taco Man. Now, Raspado Man cannot imitate this one. To make Jamaica is a little hard because you gotta heat it up, the plant, you gotta remove it. Now in this case, I went straight to the Taco Man. They had it ready for me. I asked no ice. We're a little bit above 24 ounces. So we're gonna start the process. It's asking us what kind of function do you want? We're gonna say slushy. So we're gonna say slushy. Slushy it is. And this time I learned my lesson. We're gonna turn it down one down, all right? All right, 2 minutes in and look at this. Alrighty, now this one performing faster because it's made for larger crowds, of course. So on this one, you got to make sure that you keep it clean and air dry. Don't put anything to the dishwasher, and of course rinse as follow. But right now, if you want it to perform this good, make sure you do the steps. So here we are. It already performed as high as possible you can. I like it that it tells you the actual coldness it has. So it's ready to go. So let's start filling it up. So on this one, the slower pour, it's about the same as the other one, all right? So you're gonna get it slow, but the results are incredible. You gotta make sure it has sugar or it's not gonna produce very well your slushy. So just make sure if you're adding non-sugar or non-sugar drinks, they might not work, all right? Now, also avoid adding milk substance, because if you add too much milk, you're gonna make butter. I'm serious about that. I learned the lesson myself. Don't make butter, make slushies. Now the best one I did do was a frappuccino from the actual Starbucks drinks that they sell. I was able to produce 3 cups of it that we were sharing out of 1 bottle, so that's not bad. All right, round 2. Okay. This actually, between this one and the horchata, this was actually more slushy. It's easier to drink with the straw. The results, I'm very surprisingly, but it's really good. So if you guys see that slushy part, yeah. Oh man, this is incredible. Now, imagine adding ice cream whipped cream. You just got yourself a dessert. Oh, it's so fluffy on this one. I don't know, between this one and the horchata, I think this is my favorite, to be honest with you. If it could do this, we have to do tamarindo. All right, we just took everything out. We're gonna air dry it. As you can see, I put everything out in a damp towel. This is gonna be on the end here, but if you want to put it away, I forgot to mention that this has an area that you can put it away too. Now, to clean this one, use a damp towel too. And once you clear it out, make sure you don't forget the tray in the bottom too. All right, like I said, I went to the Taco Man, got my sope, my drink, straight to the SLUSHi machine. This is a whole different way of enjoying your meals now. So, hope you guys enjoy this video.